This Century 21 United property video is presented by Diane Cupit. Wonderful brick home on a double corner lot. This home features a great open floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 fireplaces. Living area has lots of windows and a fireplace with a pretty white mantel. Formal dining area. Spacious kitchen with tons of cabinets, perfect for the lady of the house that loves to cook. Cozy bonus room with fireplace. This property may qualify for seller financing. Vendee, asset built prior to 1978. Lead-based paint potentially exists. For more information, review the details below.